With just a week to go before the return of cruise ships to the Falmouth port in Trelawney, preparations are in high gear. Now the cruise sector has taken a massive hit due to the coronavirus pandemic. Cruise ships are set to return to Falmouth on November 14, following an 18-month absence due to the coronavirus pandemic. Mayor of Falmouth, Colin Gager, says the municipal corporation has been working overtime to ensure the parish is ready for the cruise ship arrival.
We must remember that we are in the COVID season. A lot of people has been displaced. A lot have had to turn to selling things on the streets, and we sort of gave a free hand because we know what is happening out there, and many people, hotel workers, they have lost their job, their income, and so we have told them that this can't be forever. So we have been out there serving notices, talking with them.
He argues that the corporation has been working with the tourism product development company TPD to beautify the area.
Getting back our drains in order, getting our streets in order, although you must know that because of the heavy rainfall, a lot of debris has gathered, a lot of grass has grown real fast, I can tell you. So we are making sure that that is done.
In the meantime, garbage collection is another issue, and so the mayor says the corporation has been working with the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA.
We will be making sure too that the store owners discard of their garbage in the right and proper way, because right now we have evidence of store owners just coming out and dumping their garbage into the small receptacles that are at the foot of the receptacles. So we are going to be making sure that NSWMA work with us. We make sure that we have the names of the people who are paying for their garbage to be collected, because it just can't work like that.
In August, the country welcomed its first cruise ship with over 3,000 passengers and 1,000 crew at the Ocheria Pier in St. Anne.